Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Walgreens. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in walgreens.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official Walgreens website. Now once you're on this page, you can sign into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the account icon at the top right corner and clicking on the sign in button and using your credentials. Now after you have signed into your account, in order to change your name, click on the account icon once again and click on your account. You will then be taken into your account settings page, from which hover over to the profile icon and click on sign in and security. Now from this page, you will find the username and password option at the top section. Go ahead and click on it, and you might be asked to enter your password to confirm your identity. So type in your password first and click on the continue button, and now you will be allowed to change your username as well as your password. You can then type in your desired new username and click on the save changes button, and your username will be updated immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on Walgreens. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.